Yo, tech lovers, ready to ride the future? These 20 inventions are rewriting reality, from flying cars to thinking robots. So don't blink, don't scroll, don't miss it. The future's in your hands right now. HMND-01 Alpha is the United Kingdom's first humanoid robot, built exclusively for industrial use, marking a significant milestone in the evolution of robotics. Developed by the innovative startup Humanoid, Alpha stands an impressive 220 centimeters tall and operates on a stable wheeled platform. It can move at speeds of up to 7.2 kilometers per hour and carry payloads of up to 15 kilograms, making it ideal for demanding tasks such as picking, sorting, packaging, and machine feeding within warehouses and manufacturing facilities. Alpha features 29 active degrees of freedom, giving it exceptional flexibility, balance, and precision. Its advanced AI-driven control system enables it to perform complex actions with remarkable coordination, adapting intelligently to different working environments. Built in just 7 months, the HMND-01 Alpha is celebrated as one of the fastest developed humanoid robots ever created, a true reflection of cutting-edge innovation and engineering excellence. More than just a mechanical assistant, Alpha represents the next generation of human-robot collaboration. By tackling labor shortages, improving safety, and enhancing efficiency, it demonstrates how artificial intelligence and robotics can work together to transform modern industry and redefine the future of automated production. Radian 1 is a groundbreaking single-stage-to-orbit spaceplane developed by Radian Aerospace, marking a major leap forward in the future of space transportation. Designed for horizontal takeoff and landing, it operates from standard 10,000-foot runways, eliminating the need for vertical rocket launches. The vehicle uses a 2-meter rail sled to accelerate to 537 miles per hour before igniting its rocket engines, allowing a smooth, efficient ascent into orbit. Capable of carrying up to 5 crew members and 5,000 pounds of cargo to low Earth orbit (LEO), Radian 1 also supports a return down mass of 10,000 pounds. Its rapid turnaround capability enables reflight within 48 hours and on-demand readiness within 90 minutes, setting a new standard for reusable spacecraft. These features make it ideal for space tourism, scientific research, cargo transport, and national security missions. In September 2024, Radian Aerospace successfully tested its subscale prototype PFV-01 in Abu Dhabi, completing crucial ground taxi trials that demonstrated its engineering viability. Combining speed, reusability, and efficiency, Radian 1 redefines how humanity approaches space access. A fully reusable spaceplane designed to make orbital missions as routine and reliable as modern air travel. Ulto Infinite Machine is a groundbreaking electric bike developed by the innovative Brooklyn-based startup Infinite Machine. Designed to completely transform the way people move through cities and explore the outdoors, the Ulto represents a bold fusion of style, technology, and performance. Its sleek, weatherproof aluminum frame not only offers durability and strength, but also gives the bike a distinctly futuristic look that turns heads wherever it goes. Equipped with advanced dual suspension, the Ulto delivers a remarkably smooth and stable ride, whether you're gliding through busy urban streets or conquering rugged off-road trails. Its powerful 750-watt rear hub motor ensures instant torque and responsive acceleration, making every journey exciting and efficient. The swappable 48-volt lithium battery offers up to 40 miles of range, allowing riders to easily extend their adventures without worry. On city roads, the Ulto reaches speeds up to 20 miles per hour, while off-road it can surge up to 33 miles per hour, providing a thrilling yet controlled experience. More than just an e-bike, the Ulto Infinite Machine embodies the future of personal mobility. It combines sustainability, intelligent design, and cutting-edge engineering into one extraordinary vehicle. Infinite Machine isn't simply building electric bikes, it's shaping a new era of clean, high-performance transportation for modern riders. Oceanbird Orcell Wind is an innovative wind-powered roll-on, roll-off, ro-ro vessel developed by Wallenius Marine, inspired by the visionary ocean bird concept. At 220 meters in length, this next-generation ship is designed to carry up to 7,000 cars, making it one of the largest and most efficient wind-assisted cargo vessels ever built. Its distinctive feature is a set of 6 massive 40-meter-high wing sails, which can rotate 360 degrees and retract or tilt when needed, allowing the ship to adapt to changing wind and weather conditions while maintaining stability and safety. Driven primarily by wind power, the Orcelle Wind can reach speeds of 10 to 12 knots under ideal circumstances. Its hybrid propulsion system can reduce carbon emissions by up to 90% compared to conventional fuel-powered ships, offering a remarkable advancement in sustainable maritime transport. Scheduled for launch in 2026, the Oceanbird Orcelle Wind marks a significant milestone in green shipping technology. Combining state-of-the-art naval engineering, renewable energy innovation, and aerodynamic design, it demonstrates a powerful shift toward cleaner ocean transport. More than just a ship, the Orcelle Wind symbolizes the future of sustainable global trade, where efficiency meets environmental responsibility. AC-Core NOAA is a state-of-the-art hexacopter developed by the Dutch company AC-Core Technologies, engineered for professional missions that require exceptional strength, precision, and reliability. Built from high-grade carbon fiber, NOAA combines durability with lightweight efficiency, allowing it to carry payloads of up to 20 kilograms while maintaining remarkable flight performance. With an impressive endurance of up to 80 minutes, it is perfectly suited for long-duration operations, such as LiDAR surveying, industrial inspections, mapping, and high-end cinematography. Its modular design ensures quick setup, effortless transport, and seamless integration of a wide range of professional sensors, cameras, and payload systems. This adaptability allows operators to configure the drone for specific mission needs, enhancing operational flexibility. Equipped with intelligent flight control systems, advanced GPS navigation, and exceptional weather resistance, the NOAA guarantees stable, precise, and safe flights even under challenging environmental conditions. As one of the most capable and versatile drones in the world, AC-Core NOAA sets a new benchmark for professional aerial innovation. It represents the perfect blend of engineering excellence and cutting-edge technology, a tool built not just for flight, but for redefining the possibilities of aerial data collection and visual storytelling.